Lily, get the rest of them. Lily, bend down and get it with your mouth.
Here you go. Yay! Good job. You're such a silly girl. Rose.
Lily, bend down on the floor and get it with your mouth.
No, she's figured out this is easy.
Oh man, but that was really funny.
What in the world?
Oops. Uh-oh.
Okay, here. Here you go. Good job. Cleaning up. Wasn't what I had in mind for the cleaning. It's okay. Good job. You know, Dad told me one time he was watching a show and he said that up until they're 3 or so, they have an extra saliva in their mouth. Have you heard this?
I don't know. That's really gross,
It
though.
combats like dirt and stuff. Good job! Yay! Now zip it up.
You mean like dogs?
Yeah, that's what he said. He was watching some show. Good job. Go give it to Mama or Nana.
No, you realize she's gonna open that and just dump it on the floor. Yeah.